Hi everyone, my name is Wong Zing from Group 11. Vikitan, Tan Ying and I are representing the group to present the group assignment. In the employer project, we conducted a survey among the human resource practitioners on the importance of cognitive skills in the human resource department. We collected total number of 108 practitioners to take part in this survey. From the 108 practitioners, we have 64.8% of women and 35.2% of men. It appears that in the current working environment in human resource, there are more women is employed to be in the department. These practitioners stand the most at the age of 18 to 24 years old. To support our findings, we inquire about their educational background. There are 51.9% qualified for diploma or lower to be part of human resource. It reveals that the employees are confident that these people with a qualification in diploma or lower have the cognitive ability to contribute to their task. After diploma, bachelor degrees stand the second highest education qualification, which is 38.9%. Therefore, there are 47.5% out of 108 practitioners are still a junior in human resource department. Today, there are lots of industries offering sorts of goods and services. The manufacturing and education industries hold the view of human resource in our survey, which is 35.2% and 24.1% accordingly. Last but not least, according to the responses about the years of working experience, the majority of people in human resource is work more than 5 years, which is 38%. And there are 62% of people in human resource had heard about the terms of cognitive skills before. In this case, they might not be strange to answer the questions about cognitive skills. That's all for my presentation. I would like to pass the next part to Vicky Tang. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vicky Tang Wei Tong from Group 11. Now I'm going to present Section B and C. Section B contains a series of questions to test the cognitive skills on the people in HR departments. The questions are allocated into few parts, which are attention to detail, problem solving, critical thinking, spatial reasoning, numerical reasoning, and reading comprehension. Firstly, we test the people in HR department with attention to detail. This is to test the capability of the people to differentiate the similar information and check the errors. In question A, there are 38% of the people answer the question correctly, while in the question B, there are 41.36% of the people answer the question correctly. On section C, there are 49.1% of the people strongly agree that attention to detail is important. Secondly, problem solving is to identify the issues and find out the solutions to solve the issues. Based on the survey, there are 69.93% of the people answer the question correctly. That means more than half of the people possess the problem-solving skills. Based on the section C, there are 58.3% of the people strongly agree that the problem-solving is important on their current jobs in the HR departments. Thirdly, we also test the people in HR department on their critical thinking. Based on our survey, we can get that the average percentage of the people answer the question accurately is 60.2%. That means that more than half of the people are able to see from different perspectives before making the decisions. Based on the section C, we can get the 44.4% of the people are strongly agree that critical thinking is very important in the workplace. So this is the end of my presentation. Now I will pass the presentation to the next presenter, Yun Yun. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dan Yun from Group 11. I will continue to present the last part of the group presentation. The question I enjoy is to test the practitioner's numerical reasoning skills. Based on the survey, there are 85.2% and 82.4% of candidates choose the correct answers. The average percentage of human resources candidates who answer the correct answers is 83.8%. These candidates are able to understand the patterns of numbers and have the basic knowledge of mathematics. However, based on Section C, 40.7% of the candidates think that this skills is important in the HR department. Next, reading comprehension is the capability to read and understand the text and integrate what the readers already knows. In question K and L, the average percentage of practitioners who answer correctly is 53.25%. This means that more than half of HR staff possess reading comprehension skills. In section C, 77% of respondents agree that reading comprehension is important in their current job in the HR department. Thirdly, question G and H are tests on their spatial reasoning. They are 85.2% and 26.9% of respondents has chosen the correct answers and the average is 56.05%. This shows that half of the people have spatial reasoning skills and they are able to see 2 and 3 dimensions objects and then mentally manipulate them. Based on Section C survey, 36.1% of people just strongly agree with spatial reasoning is important to their workplaces. In conclusion, cognitive skills are important to human resources practitioners in the HR department. This because it can help them to interpret data, remember team goals, pay attention during important meetings, and more. That's all our presentation. Thank you.